Please do not let the name jerk chicken fool you. It's not a piece of poultry. It's something a little tastier than that. And showing us how to make it happen here in the delmarvalife kitchen, this is Chef Thomas White, owner of Soul4Real food truck. Thank you for being here today.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me. Thanks for having me.
I love me some jerk chicken, and that's what we're making today.
It's gonna be great.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so let's talk a little bit about what makes it jerk chicken.
I really think the taste, the seasoning, the way how you cook it, all of that.
All that. Okay,
makes
so
it
you're
jerk.
going to have us actually do some work here.
Yep.
So what do you need us to do?
We need to get the peppers cut up.
Okay.
We're gonna need to get the water going.
Okay.
For rice, we need to get the pan going,
All right.
and we're gonna need to get Jimmy going early.
Because you know.
Yep.
All right, so we got
I
that
want you to
pan
know I
going.
resemble that remark.
Everybody knows now.
goodness.
It's not even like an opinion anymore.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
It used to be funny, but no more.
No. All right, so we're cutting up the peppers. How do you, like in slices or?
Yeah, it's like slices.
Okay, and just take out some of that.
Mhm.
So how are things going for you with the food truck?
Yeah.
Everything is going great.
Yeah?
Everything is going great.
Is this one of your popular
Thanks to
items?
y'all.
Oh, hey,
Yeah,
whatever we
thanks
can
to y'all.
do.
So how long have you done food truck?
It's been about a year. I think.
Okay,
About
so
a year, a little over a year.
was it always your thought to do a food truck, or did you have something else in mind?
I had something else in mind.
Yeah. So is that still a possibility?
Yeah,
Maybe?
maybe.
Maybe? Yeah.
maybe.
All right.
Great.
Well, if you're too successful at making these things, this may be what you're stuck with. You never know.
You know, I have to admit, when we came down into the studio,
Oh, my
you had
goodness.
already made some.
Yes.
And the spices, woo!
Oh, yeah.
I think that's it has cumin in it, doesn't
Gets in your throat.
In it, that gets in your throat, so.
You know it's going to be good when your eyes start running
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and your nose start running.
and your nose start running.
Oh yeah.
Was this what you want me to do? Was that right?
Yes, perfect.
Okay, good.
Yep.
Yep.
That's perfect.
I was a little bit
All right.
nervous there for a second.
No, you're doing great. He's a
So-
little quicker this time.
Yeah, well, we got really sharp knives now.
Yeah.
That makes a difference.
But please understand, I will be counting my fingers when we're done here just to make sure that.
So you have to work pretty fast in a food truck, don't you?
Yes, a lot
Yeah.
of preparation. A lot of stuff you had to do the night before.
That's why he's getting antsy with us handling the knives. Do you have a favorite that you prepare?
I would say the chicken quesadilla.
Yeah?
I like that. Definitely the cheesesteak. And my jerk wings.
And the jerk,
Jerk
wings.
wings?
Yes.
Ooh, that sounds amazing. Same spices that you use for the most
Some for the most part.
Oh,
Yep.
okay. All right. I'm on my second one.
Oh, crap.
But good job, Jimmy. Good job. All right, so we got our pans heating up here. Or, oops, I think I'm not supposed to do that. So what goes in what?
So we're gonna end up putting the rice in here. We're gonna put the chicken in here
Okay, where's the chicken?
in the refrigerator.
Oh, okay.
Is that like a last thing that you add, or?
No, we can add it as soon as the pan get a little hot.
Oh, okay. Is it already
Seems like
cut
it's
up?
getting there. We cut it when it's done.
Oh, okay.
Oh, after. Okay.
Yep.
I thought we were gonna have to cut up the chicken. And
Yeah, Lisa was going to do that.
was I?
So let me grab the chicken.
Okay. We'll keep cutting here.
There's a confident chef who reaches across a guy with a knife. Or he's never seen me at work with one of these things before. Look at you. 2 for 1, 5, whatever.
You know.
So this
Well
is what
done.
we normally do.
Okay.
I normally get the chicken,
Yeah.
and we normally put the spices
This?
right on it. Yep.
Just dump it over the top and rub it in?
Get,
Show me.
like, there we go.
Okay. Okay.
There's
I can do
that.
that.
Kind of like that, and just
Now,
Keep
how are we
doing
doing it? Is this hot enough? It's starting to smoke
Yep.
up a little bit.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Well, I'll tell you what.
Yep, that's good.
What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this chicken started. Pan's hot and everything, but we're going to take a real quick break, and then when we come back, Chef Thomas White is going to show us how to put all this together.
Yep.
Sound good? All right. Stick around. Take a look at that chicken. Oh my goodness. And yeah, that's going to be pretty spicy. We're in the delmarvalife kitchen where we're making some delicious jerk chicken. And thankfully, it's all under the watchful eye of Chef Thomas White, the owner of Soul4Real food truck. And he just took over. You know, Jimmy and I.
Can you run us through what you did while we were in break?
Well, we put the chicken in the pan, got it nice and hot, cooked it, got the peppers in there, dropped the rice, dropped our seasoning in.
What's the seasoning that you put in there?
Is that
I'll
one
tell
of
you
those
when we
top
go for
secret?
that.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's a secret. Okay.
Everybody will be using it.
Yeah, see?
Yeah,
There you
okay,
go.
that's fine,
That's why
proprietary.
it's so good and why you got to go see him.
But another thing that you did while we were in break, you put some Worcestershire sauce in the chicken, and you also put pats of butter on top of it.
Yep.
I've never seen that before. Oh, he's
You
handing
can
me.
mix it all up.
Mix
Yep.
it all up.
Yep.
Okay. He's just like, stop talking, get to work. Okay. Now, sometimes you get jerk chicken, it has a little bit of sweet in it. Do you do any kind of sweet in yours, like pineapple or anything?
I haven't yet, but
Yeah.
I've seen it done.
Yeah. All right, how's that?
Just getting there.
Keep moving it around.
Yeah, it's getting there.
It's getting there.
It's getting there.
Lisa, you're not leaving me yet and going to work for him, so just
No.
Okay.
No, I imagine working in a food truck in the summertime.
I would make even more money.
You do?
With the face of Lisa?
see.
Yeah, but I feel like it would be really hot and I would just be like a mess.
And it definitely is hot.
Yeah, yeah. Now you, where do you typically go in your food truck?
I do a lot in Delaware, Princess Anne. I do Milford.
Do you do like a set schedule so businesses know where you're going to be when and things like that, or you just
Yeah,
announce it
I
on,
post it on the site.
on the Facebook? Yep.
Yesterday I was in Cambridge.
And you see their smiles when you pull up,
Oh,
right?
yes, yes. It was very busy yesterday.
You can
Oh, yeah.
always tell a chef when he sticks his hand into a pot of boiling water.
All right, these are starting to actually soften up a little bit. That's a good sign, right?
Yep. And then all we do is just, I don't know if Jimmy wants to do it
I
or
think-
just cut it. And so we got like nice little chunks.
And you do this on a griddle? Like
yeah,
A full
yeah,
size.
I got a big,
Yeah.
big one.
yeah, it's probably a little more difficult on a,
Kind of restricted here.
kind of restricted in a little pan like that.
Oh my goodness, that looks good.
And then we just kind of chop it up until she gets a nice little bites.
He's putting more seasoning.
Yeah, buddy. I'm so glad we didn't do this earlier in the show because I wouldn't have been able to. I'd have been eating for the rest of the show.
All right, so you're gonna break open the rice.
The rice?
Yep. And normally we would have it cooled off. And we would just go in with the rice.
It's a little hot.
It's a lot hot.
Not for an old hand though, huh?
No.
No. Been doing this too long to hurt. Do you still want butter? Can I move the butter?
Oh, yes.
Okay, butter's out.
Yep.
The
Butter's gone.
W sauce is out.
The W sauce. Neither one of them could say Worcestershire.
I know how to say Worcestershire.
Yeah.
What's
Like I
your-
said.
your-
Worcestershire. I said, what kind of sauce is that? And he's like,
I think it's a street in South Salisbury. I'm not sure. Oh, that looks so good.
Everybody say the W sauce.
W sauce.
The W sauce.
There's other kinds of sauces I can't say.
I struggle sometimes with ketchup, but we're not worried about that today.
Do you say ketchup or catsup?
There's a good question.
My mom always said catsup.
Catsup.
There's a difference between ketchup and catsup, right? One is sweet and one's not.
Oh, I
think.
didn't know that.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's
Making
why
it
I
up.
love working
I'm making
here.
it up as I go along. What you need now?
This right here.
Oh. Oh.
And then we just kind of just put it in.
Oh my.
Just put it in. Just put it
Looking
in.
good. Looking good.
Now,
Is that
Lisa,
going to be
I
cool
know
enough
you're
for
not a big, huge fan of spicy.
Yeah, no, but jerk spice I love.
That goes, okay.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of like, it's so spicy hot,
Yeah.
you know, you can't eat it.
So if somebody comes up to your truck and says, can you lighten up? Thank you. Lighten up on this a little bit. Are you okay with that or?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's however they want it.
It's not like you
They,
feel.
they paying for it.
Oh,
Like
he's got
this
one that's cool.
Oh, Chef,
there
you're the
you
best.
go. You are the best.
Again, thank you so much
Thank you
for this.
so much.
Where can we find you next?
Oh, good question.
Yeah.
Well, we'll just
Still
tell
working on that?
I'll be probably in Princess Anne next week. Milford the week after. Jerk.
Oh my goodness, Chef. This is excellent.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.